Yes. So can I
Okay.
start Proman?
Yes, sir. Shall we start from cutting, sir?
Uh, yes. Before we come for last on the last day where we completed.
In cutting, sir.
Okay. जहाँ से
When we
last
go to save that cutting entry, it comes some error message. That's why that day we stopped. Now
So
I'm.
we can listen. We can do
Mm.
one thing. We can make a fresh start now, so it will be good for us
Yes,
because
sir. Can I start from cutting, sir, or fabric in or
start. Just start the
St-
production rest.
start start from fabric issue.
fabric issue? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. After invert and QC, we will go to fabric issue. This is the model used to do uh, fabric rolls to cutting, sir. Issued the.
Mm-hmm.
Am I audible or not, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Audible. Audible.
Okay, okay, sir. After selecting the unit, now we select the PO number. These are the roles. We invert the stage to from stage to Proman, right?
Pardon?
These are the roles. We issued stage inventory from Proman.
Okay.
Okay. Select all. Then issue. Yes. If you want to print the delivery note, click yes, sir.
Okay.
This is the delivery note
Okay.
for that fabric issue.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We go to cutting
Mm-hmm.
in a mode. First we select that unit, then PO number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm, mm. Which come? Who did right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The LACN number will be generated by system. Then
Okay.
I click that garment color.
Okay.
Table number can I give one, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Then fabric color, which one, sir?
Just light
Light
gray.
gray.
Okay. Lay number, sir? Can I give one?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then lay length, sir?
3 meter.
3. Okay. Marker way, sir.
3:2:2:1. Okay, 3,
Okay. 1,
2.
2. Okay.
Mm.
What are all the roles can I select?
Pardon?
What are all the roles can I select in role selection area? Which
Mm-hmm.
roles can I select, sir?
Select mm,
Randomly, can I select?
number of rows. Yes, first one, 20 rows.
Okay, first one.
No, this number 10.
Okay.
What is this 10? Is the quantity of number of rolls or what
This
is
is
this
the
10?
roll number, sir. QC roll
Okay,
number.
okay.
Actual quantity is showing here. Actual quantity kg is here.
Uh-huh.
If I select the rolls,
Select up to 50
the
kg.
50 kg.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, how much cut quantity do you want, sir?
Uh, the what is the order quantity?
Order quantity here for the M size is 35, L size is 35, and then XL size is 34.
Okay, or 100 pieces.
100 pieces. Here,
Yeah.
here the cut quantity is showing here, sir. The band 72. If I select that row,
Mm-hmm.
the cut quantity is increasing here. If I deselect the rows,
Mm-hmm.
the cut quantity is decreasing, right?
Okay, decrease.
Here, sir, cut
Yeah,
quantity.
yeah,
Here,
yeah, decrease.
yes, sir. This is the cut quantity. 48
With
pieces.
this, with this number of rows, this number of pieces will be cut.
Yes, sir.
But-
Yes, you are
So
right.
for 100 pieces, we calculate how much, how many rows it is showing.
Like the rows, the cut quantity is increasing.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, Actually, I select all the rows. The cut quantity is 88. For that M size, it is 33. For the L size, 33. For the XL size, 22, sir. This is the
Mm-hmm.
balance quantity. 2, 2, and then 13. Okay?
What is this balance? It is above the order.
Yes, sir. For the order quantity, we have 35 for M size, right?
Mm-hmm.
33 pieces we are cutted for this lay serial number. Then
Mm-hmm.
to the balance quantity, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Then I click set roll, sir.
Mm.
This number of plies is the editable one, sir. If you
And
want to,
if we do 2 meter lay, then will it change?
if this is the number of plies, this column is the
No,
editable one, sir. If you want,
lay
yes,
length
sir.
length. If I change the length from 3 to 2, will this change?
Yes, sir. If I give 2, then again I click that set roll.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So now it is showing exceeding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understood. Put
The lay length 2 is
2.5,
yes, sir.
2.5.
2.5. 2.5. Then click control. Here the excess quantity is showing, that current quantity is showing. Mm.
Okay, let's proceed like this.
Like this. Okay.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay. Here we have number of plies, 20 number of plies, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Current quantity 20 into marker wave, we have 3 for M size, right?
Mm-hmm.
20 into 3,
Mm.
the current quantity is 60.
Okay.
the same way 20 into 3 for L size, the current quantity is 60. For that XL size, we have marker weight 2. So 20 into 2, 40.
Okay.
Okay. Then we do the bundle generation, sir. If I click bundle generation, um, pieces per bundle we have 20, right?
Pardon?
Pieces per bundle, sir. Here we give 20.
I gave 20, but is it editable or it is now fixed as 20?
No, sir. It is a editable one. If I 50, can I
Put
give,
like
sir?
25 or 50,
20.
yeah, whatever.
Oh,
25.
25. Then
Mhm.
again, roll. Oh, okay. Here, pieces per bundle is 25.
Mhm.
Uh, for that M size, we have a cut quantity 60, right?
Okay.
Uh, our pieces per bundle is 25. For that first number of bundles,
Mhm.
it will take 25.
Mhm.
The next M size, we have 25, 60 minus 25, we have 35 pieces, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, another bundle, it will take 35 pieces, sir, for one bundle.
Okay.
For L, the same way for L size and XL size, sir.
After 10, it will increase the bundle number. If it is 11 pieces, it will increase the third bundle.
If you want, because the another bundle, it have only the 10 pieces, right?
Yeah. If
That's why.
it was 11 pieces, then it would have counted another bundle.
Yes, sir, correct.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Then I save it, sir.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to change the cutting unit, sir.
Currently cutting unit is in what?
Okay. Then I click no. Then saved. Uh,
I think there is some problem in conversion, your unit of measure.
Yes, sir. But actually, I changed the parameter.
Mm.
But again, it's showing like this. Give me a moment, sir. And the KGS to
घनश्याम घनश्याम उसको बोलना है। वही सेम प्रॉब्लम उनका फिर चल रहा है। घनश्याम एक बात बताओ, आपका कुछ हिसाब पेंडिंग है? हाँ। कभी आप HR मैडम के पास घूम रहे होते उसको लेके? क्या करूं सर, आज 6 महीने से पड़ा हुआ है। धीरे बोलो, इनके पास पावर है उसको करने का? हाँ, नसीम करता है।